my biggest, heaviest weight. So I worked my way to this is 15 kilos, and I have just one of it, 15 kilos. I normally use it for things like goblet squats, mainly for squats, but I worked my way to 15 kilos and I lost it. Well, I've lost that strength. I'm building it back again. So I'm going to be doing a lot of strength workouts from Monday. Pray for me. And I really like this basket. It's quite sturdy. I got it from TK Maxx, from the home bargain section. Home bargains? Home Sense. This is the next heavy one, and it's 10 kilos. 10 kilos is not too bad for me, actually. I work quite well with 10 kilos. Yeah, so I'm transporting all my workout bits from the guest room. I mean, they all live in the guest room, but because my mum-in-law is going to be here with us soon, I have to transfer things downstairs. And I'm going to be working out downstairs. If you've ever used pre-workout, let me know your experience with it, because I was influenced on TikTok to get this Oxy Shred, and I'm going to be trying it out on Monday. Let me know your experience with using pre-workouts before you do your exercises. Heavy. That's the last one, 10 kilos. I feel like I've done a proper workout. The next step is to make this room or this space conducive for exercising. Before I put this basket here, I wanted to share this lamp. This is a slimline floor lamp, and it's by Daylight Company. Now I use this for everything. I use it for sewing, I use it when I'm reading, I use it for doing my nails. It's super bright. Look, it's got the control here, and you can dim the light, turn it off there. Right. Yeah, and that's it. And you can like twist it this way, that way, whichever way you want it to go. It can actually be good for filming. Ooh. If you're a content creator, you probably need to have this. You need to have this light. Yeah, so is it casting a shadow? No. Anyway, yeah, I thought I'd share it with you. It's slimline, and I'm going to I'll leave the link in the description box below and in the comment section, so that if you want to get 20% off of it, then you use the code Juliet20 to get money off of this lamp. I've had it for over a year now. Actually, it's coming up to a year and a half since I've had it. Yeah, I know. And I've just not shared it here on YouTube. I've only shared it on TikTok, but yeah, and Instagram. But it's something that I thought I'd share with you just in case. You can bend it. Oops, you can bend it. Actually, do you know what? I'm going to do my nails to show you how I use it for doing my nails. But obviously for sewing, you can just like lean it over your sewing machine so it casts more light to your sewing, especially if you do sewing or crafting in general, just in case you do crafting at nighttime, so you can get better light. Yeah, so I'm going to put the basket. This basket is going to go in this corner because that's the only place that I can find space for it. So if this goes here, then I can put all my weights inside the basket. They can all fit in the basket, and it just does not overpower the room. And then I can just do my workouts in this space here on the floor. I've moved in my Peloton, Peloton. The Peloton is right there in the corner. Sometimes after work I do a Peloton workout, and on other days I just do like walking. I just walk. But I'm bringing back the weights like I used to in the past, and I stopped sharing it here. I'm bringing it back. I think this is the strongest resistance band I have. Yeah, this is the strongest of them. Like really, really tough. And that's the strength number 3. I have this one here, which is strength number 2 one. Oh no, this strength number 2. This one's a bit more easier to stretch out. And the last one is super easy because it's number 1. Yeah, those are my resistance bands. Yeah, so what's in my basket? If you might ask, what's in my workout basket? I'm gonna show you. My gloves for when I do like really difficult weights or heavy weights, because they start to hurt my palms or the palm of my hands. Resistance band. This one here, I use it for like stretches like that. This was originally supposed to go on my stepping machine, like my manual stepper, you know, the stepper. So I use it for like, yeah. Then I have these very little weights. These are 3 pounds or 3 kilos. It might be, no, they're 3 pounds. They're super light, and they originally came with the Peloton. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the Peloton now because the Peloton lives here. Then I have just one dumbbell. Is this a dumbbell? No, this is I have one kettlebell. This one's 8 kilos, 8 kilograms. It's quite heavy. At the point where, so up until when I stopped my last bit of strength training last year, 8 kilos was so light for me. I worked my way up to where 8 kilos just didn't do anything for me. But I'm sure when I start again, I'm going to struggle with 8 kilograms. But it's expected. Also, I have yoga blocks for any form of elevation. I don't normally use these for yoga. When I do yoga at home, I just do simple stretches. Oh, how could I forget to share this? I also have this here, which is a sand sort of vest, a weighted vest for when I go out for walks. And then my dumbbells. I've showed you all my dumbbells. This is actually 3 kilos, so 3 kilograms, and those ones are 3 pounds because these are heavier than those ones. you.